Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from staterecords.org step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out from staterecords.org, first, go to their website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click the Your Privacy Choices link. You will be redirected to the staterecords.org opt-out form. Enter your first and last name, select the state where you live, enter the city where you live, then click Submit. Personal records will appear. Locate your record from the results and check the box under Select Record and then click the red Remove Data button. A new form will appear. Enter your email address and any comments regarding your personal data opt-out request. Complete the security CAPTCHA and click Submit. An on-screen notification will appear. Note, if you found more than one personal record, click back to result and repeat steps 3, 4, and 5. Check your email inbox for an opt-out confirmation email from staterecords.org. Confirm the removal of your personal data by clicking the Click Here link. Confirmation of your opt-out request will appear. Staterecords.org will delete your personal information from their website. Congratulations on opting out of staterecords.org. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.